it is a little. I think if you're going to be spending the $3 grand on an Eddie, because it takes some time to get this set up. Todd's gonna open the box. The Eddie kind of feels intimidating, I think, for me. We're testing it out and trying to figure out if it's right for us. We will see how long it takes for us to get this set up and hopefully running. It's got a pretty big footprint, so I don't know like if people move their Eddie around or they just find a spot for it. First impressions, there's a lot of parts here. Full disclosure, I received the Eddie for free as a part of their influencer program. We didn't have to make any YouTube videos, but we did it because we wanted to kind of bring you guys along and share our genuine first impressions. For full setup instructions, visit the Primera/Eddie website. It'll lead you through what you need to do, what software you need based on if you have a PC or a Mac. There's a very active Facebook user group that's run by the people that made Eddie. It's very good, but it's also full of people who are struggling with the Eddie. I feel like people who have questions or they don't know how to do something are usually more vocal than people who are successful with it. So just keep that in mind as you're browsing the Facebook page, that the sample user activity might be a little bit more skewed towards people who are struggling. It looks easy enough, but still quite a few parts. Toner.
That choice of music is just...
Oh God, okay.
Made it. Was. Great, now we're stuck with more of the music. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, there it is.
And then you plug it into the corresponding female part.
You know a thing or two about female parts. Damn it, no I don't. Oh shit.
Is that supposed to happen? Switch it on. Did you see that? Switch it on.
I did.
Ready?
But now we're ahead.
Up. Boom.
Now it's off.
No, it was on already.
Okay. Look at the video. So off and on seems to be opposite for us. Be like, okay.
Wait, oh, I see what you're saying.
Oh yeah, it is switched for that.
Backwards.
So to turn it on, we go the other way. Whoa, I'm like, my brain is not having a good time with this. Wow, this is robust.
It is.
And it's cool that it's not like one cartridge per color.
Right.
It's supposed to click or something?
Oh.
Did it move?
It did.
So scary. Why is it so startling? Oh, that's it. That was the setup. Okay, so I think that was the easy part. The next part is connecting it with the software and actually getting a test print.
We're about halfway through the
manual
right now. Yeah, let's run a timer. Let's see.
So if we look in here, there's like a platform. It doesn't look like it could move though, but I guess here, let's open it up.
Let's open this.
Oh yeah, it moves. This is it.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, so she just drops it right there on top of it.
Why is ours like shriveled way back in there?
It's cold in here, Lisa.
We downloaded the package from their website. You know what is cool? They do tell you how much your ink costs for each print. Definitely not a plug and play product, and nobody's just gonna willy-nilly buy this. I think if you're going to be spending the $3 grand on an Eddie, you are either very wealthy, money's not a problem, and this is a great hobby, good for you, or this is an investment for you and you're trying to make that money back.
Right.
Because it takes some time to get this set up, and I'm sure it takes time to get it calibrated and printing right.
Maintenance even too, I would imagine.
Yeah, and maintenance, yeah.
Yeah, maintenance big time.
Troubleshooting. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? We think we know. So it says off hang by. Oh, there's a little grippy. The grippies are good because that holds your cookie in place so that it doesn't eat off of the platform. Oh God. Okay. Oh, it is a little. Okay, well, it actually, for a first print ever, it is not bad. I understand that this little platform is designed to be flexible and very mobile because it has to fit in that 12 tray carousel thing, so you could do 12 cookies at a time. But for me, because I'm manually feeding cookies, and cookies range from like 3 inches to 4 inches to maybe even 4.5, it feels a little bit unstable. A lot of other Eddie users have recommended that I get third-party trays which help center the image as well as keep your cookie more stable. I don't have any of those trays yet, so once I get them and I test them out, I will share that information with you. It's still not like centered properly, but
Wow.
It's
I'm
pretty good.
impressed.
yeah, this
That's
is
pretty centered.
yeah, this is pretty fun. Oh boy. Okay, you know what? Now that we've got prints going and we've gotten past the initial hump of getting it set up, I think it's actually going to be a lot of fun experimenting with what we can do and how this can enhance the cookie decorating experience. Overall, okay, so we gave you our first impressions as we were doing it. So we were very intimidated. It was a little annoying. And the software is not like sparkly and modern, but it works. And when it works, it can be really cool. So stay tuned. We'll probably have future videos that go through like bits and pieces of the process and the design and the setup. So we will post those when they are ready. Bye. Bye.
What was your sound effect? He said woo, and what was yours?
I don't even remember.